How to prompt properly on Minimax AI. First things first is access any preferred web browser you want to use. Now for this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now just head directly to minimax.com's official site and you will be redirected to minimaxa.com, which is actually related with Minimax. Then here, if you hover your mouse to technology and then head over to videos for you to be able to prompt videos or generate videos, then you will be redirected to Halo's site. So in there, all you have to do is just to be specific if you would like to get prompt properly directly on videos. You can also use ChatGPT. Just create a new tab, use ChatGPT, and then here you'll have to be specific on what specific video you would like to be prompt or to be generated. So say for example, you'd like a green apple and you'd like a green apple that has already been eaten. So in here, I'll just have to copy the results from ChatGPT and just paste it on a prompt from Minimaxi. So that's it. That's the most convenient way to be more specific and prompt properly on Minimax AI.